Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down, I get straight to the point. We do pre-purchase used car inspections on anybody trying to buy a used car at a car dealership or a private owner. In the used car dealership, we will give you paper literally printed out 30 minutes prior before we show up to do the pre-purchase inspection to teach you the questions to ask the dealership. Also, we give you a list of bogus fees that the dealership, since COVID, is now trying to charge. We're here to help you out. If it is a private owner, we give you a paper of direct questions to ask. It's 30 minutes prior before the inspection to ask the private owner to pull out the information if there's any kind of deception going on. We also teach you body language to what to look for when you're asking the questions, the inflexing, the eyes, the micro expressions that can't be hidden. Also, no one's going to offer you any warranties, and if they do, you need to understand the exclusions, and we're talking about used car dealerships or even brand new dealerships, brand new cars. You have to look at the exclusions on these warranties, and that's the point of this video. The exclusions are saying what they're not going to pay for. A warranty from wherever you're going to buy the vehicle, 9 times out of 10 is sold at a third party, from a third party that you can buy yourself. With that being said, they're going to mark up whatever warranty they're going to send you to put money in their pocket. That's the name of the business. You can also get your own warranty if you insist from places like CarShield, but you're not going to get any different than what the dealership's going to offer you, except they want you to bring the vehicle in to find more things wrong with your vehicle. Also, they're going to mark it up to make money off the same warranty you can get yourself. But remember, a warranty is just like an insurance policy. There are not automotive people in charge of your automotive warranty. It's actually just like the pharmaceutical companies or people in suit and ties trying to figure out ways to wiggle out of doing repairs. We don't really like working with warranty companies because they literally tell you how much you're going to charge and how much you're going to charge per hour if that's what you're going to do, where you're going to get the parts from, and everything else that goes along with that. That's not fair to the customer. And that's not fair to the mechanics, because if we're, say, $85 an hour and they say, oh, we're only going to charge you $65, well, we're not going to do it. So be very, very wary of buying an automotive warranty. One example is no one covers the computers. And a lot of the times their problems with these new vehicles are computer related. If one system fails, it will self-protect itself and shut the other systems off. Like, for instance, if anything goes wrong in your ABS system, you'll notice that your traction control and other crazy stuff is not working anymore. Sometimes the car won't even start. With that being said, I just want you to be mindful of what you are buying and read the exclusions. And if you're not really familiar with that, tell the person who's selling the warranty to you, whether it's CarShield or wherever you're buying a warranty from, to read you the exclusions, because you're not as covered as much as you think you are. For instance, if you do have a car warranty, make sure you have all records of all of your maintenance that's required by the manufacturer. Make sure you have all the receipts for all the oil changes, because they'll find any reason to say, oh, we're not going to pay it. Oh, you didn't change your oil yesterday. You're 1 mile over. That's what I've seen numerous times. Or they'll say, oh, we'll cover your transmission, but we don't cover the pump. What? So people don't understand this. Also, the lemon law, we're talking about Virginia only. The lemon law is if you take it to a repair facility that you bought the vehicle from, the dealership that you bought the vehicle from, and they do a repair of the same repair 3 times, only dealerships, it's considered a lemon. Not separate repairs, not separate, a car that's a piece of garbage and you're doing all these repairs. We're talking about the same repair 3 times. It's a lemon law. They have to buy the vehicle from you or give you another vehicle. Do your own due diligence. With that being said, I just want to pass out this information. You have to understand what warranties are. You're not as protected as you think. Just like homeowners warranties. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. If you are seeing this video on YouTube, please like, subscribe, and share. If you're seeing this on a different platform, please go to The Mobile Mechanic 757 on YouTube. The Mobile Mechanic 757 on YouTube. Thank you.